Hello everyone, Lawrence here from Unicorn Reviews. Welcome to Unicorn Project 1 Part 2. So we started out last week with this cardboard prototype, as I like to call it. Right now we have the wooden chassis done with primer, and we also have some sponsors. So I want to say massive thanks to Be Quiet for supplying Silentwings tree fans and also the Shadow Rock LP CPU cooler, so we'll really need these fans to make everything super quiet. So we're very near to the finish line. So we have our power supply, the PCI riser card is finally here, and everything's primed, all the holes are drilled. Basically I just need to paint it, get the side panels, get the feed on, put all the hardware in there, and of course, you know, test if it actually works and if it doesn't overheat. So that's for the next video, part 3. So let's play a little time lapse of what we have so far with a little bit of music. Alright, and so thank you very much for checking out part 2 of Unicorn Project 1. Questions, comments, and just general feedback, all that goes below the video in the comment area. And for now, thank you very much for watching. Guys, if you want to follow the channel, there's Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. And if you want to really support the channel, there's Patreon. So you can support the channel like the awesome people on your screen right now. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you on Friday.